Hi everyone. Today I will be showing you how to connect to your new Wi-Fi router using the IP address 192.168.203.1. The first step is you need to check if you're connected to the proper router. You can check it here on the right under your Wi-Fi settings. If you click here, you can see I'm successfully connected to my TP-Link router. Now I need to make sure I'm connected to the right IP address. Go to the search bar on the left here and type in CMD for command prompt and press enter. Now just type in ipconfig and press enter. And here under the default gateway, you can see your current router's IP address. You can just select it and copy it. So you can press Ctrl C and now open any type of web browser. In my case, it's Microsoft Edge. And here in the address bar, just paste the IP address and press enter. Now you have entered the login page of your router. For the username, just type in admin and the same for the password, admin. And now click on login. You have now successfully entered the admin panel of your router. Here on the left, you have all of these settings that you can change and modify. If you, for example, want to change the IP address of your router, click here on the network, click on LAN settings, and this is your current IP address of your router that can be changed. So once you change it, you can just click on save. And once those changes are adjusted, you can log out from the admin panel. So that's everything for today. Thank you for your attention. Please do not forget to subscribe